Armenia from the 6th to the 2nd centuries BC. In the previous film, we made an extensive trip through the Armenian highlands, and we became acquainted with relics from Urartu, as it was called by the Assyrians. We then learned how the newly arrived Iranian tribes destroyed the entire Old World and ruined the powerful ancient Eastern empires, including Ashur's strong country, Assyria, and the Kingdom of Van. We now continue our journey with a wonderful sensation, as if we have found ourselves in two different levels of time and space. We are traveling the territories of Old Armenia and traveling through different long ago past times. In museums in modern-day Turkey, we see relics from our past, witnesses of our ancient history. In our days, these splendid objects are used strictly as ornaments, with few people even beginning to understand what the significance of these objects of metal, stone, and glass may have been. This necklace could accurately reveal which god's priestess might have worn it. The hairband could signify the ruler's social status. In old times, this kind of ornament was called honor or reverence. The ring had much more meaning than in our times. Many of these would take on the part of a seal, certifying the person's identity and status. In ancient Iran, in other words, the entire territory of the Achaemenid Empire, one can see the strong cultural influence of the Kingdom of Van. Everywhere in Iran, we come across ancient reminders of Armenia. Behold, on this massive rock, the Achaemenid king, Darius, left behind a famous inscription. Careful to protect the inscription, he cannily had it placed high on the inaccessible rock. Having much experience in life, the king wrote the same thing in 3 different languages: Akkadian, Elamite, and Old Persian. This seems to be the first information available about Armenians and Armenia, and it is interesting that in the Akkadian version, Armenia is called Urashtu, in Elamite, Kharminwa, and in Old Persian, Armina. Here, stories of war are told, in which Darius resurrected the Achaemenid Empire, which had been in rebellion. Concerning Armenia, the king tells that he sent armies into that mountainous country 5 times, and only the last time he was victorious, the country finally surrendering. The Yervantuni king continued to rule, but only in the status of a second king or viceroy. In any event, he was the only king governing this vast mountainous country. On high reliefs on both the Behistun Rock and the Palace of Persepolis, we see pictures of Armenians. They are bringing refined metal pitchers of wine and finely bred horses to the Persian king. Even before the days of Cyrus the Great, founder of the Achaemenid Kingdom, agreements were being made between Armenia and Persia. This began in the days of Cyrus the Achaemenid and his childhood friend, Dikran Yervantuni, who together placed the foundation of the Achaemenid Empire.